is love, I want everything. Touch my soul, touch my heart, don't judge my mental. They told me that life is simple, been real since Papa Pimple. I started out in the rental, Sonata, the presidential. Speak once and listen twice, they told me that less is simple. I'm observing in the room, I be flying all on the wall. Open mouth conversations, I leave you all in some awe. Cutting through the noise, I'm hoping I leave a scar. If you don't know where you been, how you knowin' where you are?
Just cruising the night, I'm grooving. Thought you said you was my type, I'm moving too slow. Text back like shit, I'm cool with it. I can match energies, babe, I'm moving you slow. Through off the time, check my notifications, it wasn't.
What is up, you guys, and happy Saturday. Sorry that I sound a little bit tired, guys. This week has been so hectic. I've had rehearsals every day, literally from Monday to Friday. For today, I will be performing at the Trina show out here in Miami with my lovely artist Trina. I am so excited. Just got my hair done, but your girl was so tired this morning. I was literally falling asleep as they were like slicking this ponytail back. But it's so cute. But either or, today is gonna be a great day. I'm gonna show you like the behind the scenes craziness that happens before an actual show. Guys, we did not get done rehearsing till 3 in the morning yesterday. Like I was so cranky by the time I got home, but it's gonna be worth it. I'm so excited to kill it. I'm so excited to just show you. And yeah, let's get it. Happy Saturday.
Bad little flex, she wanna know me. I stay low key, all gas, no brakes. Baby, let them hoes sleep. Body on 10, make your girl OD. I get in my way, never out of my lane. Feel like you the one and I'm on one. So what it's gonna be? Baby, squad up, we finna go deep.
And heading to a shoot today. I'm going to be shooting with an energy drink called Impulse. I am so excited to work with them today. It is a beautiful day. We're shooting at the beach. I'm just so happy that ever since I've been in Miami, I've been working. I've been blessed with like great people and just great energy. And I love that overall. When somebody's talking to me. But anywho, I am bringing you guys with me, showing you guys what I do. So today will be more commercial shooting, just a little smiles and static images, so that should be fun. I'm shooting from 9 to 12, so yeah. And today, this is the it's the season to give a damn. It's the season to give a damn. So I have this, and I have my peachy bomb, like yoga pants, and my high top Converse, and my hair is all curly, and as you know, it's probably gonna end up in a pineapple because it's way too humid and hot out here in Miami. So yeah, I'll see you guys soon. Big birthday. Alright guys, like I really need a car mount. I've been saying it for the longest time. I really wonder why my boyfriend gave me the closed lens. Like, I feel like my forehead is talking to y'all. So I just got to my destination. I got here before the actual photographers and people that are setting this up. So that's the first. Yay me. Perks of living close to the ocean now, or Miami Beach. So yeah, guys, today I trimmed the shit out of my hair because it was giving that it's long but had no dimension phase. So I just like gave it a couple layers here and in the back too, if you can see. Can you see? And like cut some pieces out. But honestly, I don't know what I want to do with my hair. Like some days I just want to chop it off and have it shorter, like an afro type. Or do I just want to let it grow out and I'll just create layers as it grows? But it's hard maintaining curls. And I have tried another different curly hair product. Damn, I'm going to link it here because I forgot the name. And it's very hard for me to find any like good curling hair products for some reason. Because my hair is more frizzy than I think thick, if that makes sense. So I think it just weighed my hair down, or it made it look like it was oily or jelly, and I didn't like that. So the only product that honestly gets my hair like this, that it's dried and actual, you see the curls and naturally, is with Mixed Chicks. So shout out to Mixed Chicks, because honestly you're probably one of the only brands that my hair likes. So yeah, but if you guys have any recommendations of what curling hair products to use that's not heavy on the hair, please let me know, because I've tried it. Shea Moisture now. What's the other one? Damn, I don't know, guys. I just be trying shit and it doesn't fucking work. So besides Mixed Chicks, I tried Diva Curls. It was alright. Maybe I should try Bounce Curls. I've heard good things about them, but we'll see. I haven't eaten breakfast. I've just had a coffee, because you know you're not trying to eat before a shoot. You're trying to be all thin or whatever. So I know for a fact I am going to be hungry after this, but I'm just excited to show you guys how a shoot really goes down out here, especially being a working model slash actress and professional dancer, guys. I feel like I just have a routine. Like, I know to pack my stuff the day before. I know what to bring. It's a whole process, because I don't like missing stuff, and I don't like, I like being prepared. So I'm excited to show you. I will see you guys in a bit.
Show ya. Wish for me to call you when you turn me on. The way you telling me you want me down. Done it, I done this before you fall. I won't catch you, don't know I'm stalling. Cause you love to have them all crying. Calling me sweet, telling me.
What is up, you guys? It is later on in the day. I think it's like 5:30. I just showered my boyfriend, and we're getting ready now because we have a premiere to go watch Ant. I hope I'm saying that right, but it's Ant Marvel edition, so I'm so excited to see the movie. I highly doubt we're gonna eat anything there, because we indulged in bad food last night, and my honey just ate and I haven't eaten, so we gonna see. But overall, I am super excited to come see this movie, and I'm gonna bring you guys along to see how the premiere is. Say hi, baby. Hi. And we're matching in yellow because that is the theme. It's either yellow, purple, or red. So let's go.
Gotta go to spinny thing.
Alright, guys, so we are heading down to South Beach. And I honestly think, living in LA for 1 year, Miami has the worst drivers. Hands down. They do not care if you hit them. They do not care about turning signals. They do not care, and they will bitch you out even if they're wrong. Right?
Pretty much.
Right, we almost saw a lady hit a guy. She don't care. She probably flicked him off too. Guys, that time is coming. Look at that. Ew.
Yep.
That's me.
Hit this back button. Keep hitting this button.
Sorry, because I zoomed into my face. We need a car mount 2023, because it's going to be everywhere. It's going to be like that.
How you knowing where you are,
Just
nigga?
cruising the night, I'm grooving. Thought you said you was my type, I'm moving too slow. Text back like shit, I'm cool with it. I can match energies, babe, I move to your
Some
soul.
threw off the time. Check my notifications. It wasn't love we was prepping for, but was something adjacent. I can't be wasting lines. I'm in for something to say in a time where everything vague and the in between is not what it made out to seem. Everything is intention, but still I tend to do it wrong. Can you fault me for wanting you? Was you let alone? Both hurt, but I wasn't taunting you. I just thought it all to be what I was supposed to do, else I wasn't approaching you. I put my heart on your sleeve, wore like a brooch to you, and all in all the outcome would be what it would be. You took a chance, I took the lead. We shook as sheets, advanced and did the deed. Don't blame it on me, we grown, it's a natural
Just
thing.
cruising the night, I'm grooving it. Thought you said you was my type, I'm moving too slow. Text back like
We're on the same boat. If you're ready to see the movie, say yes. Yeah. All right. You
It's my type, I'm moving too slow. Text back like shit, I'm cool with it. I can match energies, babe, I move to your flow.